How to create your own community in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can create your own community in Roblox. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Roblox application. And once you have successfully launched your Roblox, you can click onto this more option that is present over the left hand side. Now once you click onto this, you can see this communities tab right here. So simply click onto this communities tab. Now, once you do, it will load all of the communities that are present and you can also search for them. Now, to create your own community, you can click onto this create community button, and after that, you need to fill out this form. So you can create a community. So I'm going to name it test, and then I can also name it description as well. So after naming in the description, I can also choose an emblem like an image and also a cover photo as well. Then I have to decide the settings like if I want everyone to join or a manual approval. So I'm going to choose the manual approval for this particular community setting. Now once I'm done with this, I can spend 100 Robux and create this particular community. So yes, this is not free. It does require an initial form of payment in form of Robux to create your own community. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.